Number one, number one. Ah, number one. Ah, this is nice.
Hey, stickers.
Oh! I'm sorry.
Oh, you scared me. You gotta be careful.
I scared myself, scaring you, scaring me.
I mean, I wasn't like scared,
No,
but
of course
I was
not.
more.
No. It's just I overheard you talking to Mater.
Wait, what?
When you just now? What did you hear?
Oh, just something about a helicopter ride.
Oh yeah, he got a kick out of that, didn't he?
Did you mean it?
What?
That you'll get him a ride.
Oh, who knows? I mean, first things first, I got to get out of here and make the race.
Oh.
You know, Mater trusts you.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you mean that?
What?
Was it just a yeah, okay, or yeah, okay, or yeah, okay?
Look, I'm exhausted. It's kind of been a long day.
Yeah, okay. Night.
Hey, thank you.
What did you just say?
You know, thanks for letting me stay here. It's nice to be out of the impound, and it's great. Newly refurbished, right?
Yeah.
Night.
Good night.
That's a first.